So this is Uzair Imran, and I am a digital marketer by profession. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the Facebook Business Manager, and in this particular video, we would be discussing about a Facebook Ads Manager, which is not totally different, but it is a major part of what goes around in Facebook advertising. Yeah, so we will be discussing that. Let me share the screen first. Okay. Yeah. So this was the page I was talking about in the previous lecture, ClickFunnels, which is like a demo page. It has no audience and no post up till now. So we would be learning about the ads manager from this page. For example, if you own a page, if you have just started your business and you are looking for alternatives, you are looking to uh, uh, like uh, uh, put ads of your business and like reach the maximum number of audience. So yeah. So this is around it, and here's an option, ads manager. You can directly click on this option, and then you can uh, go to the ads manager. So yeah, the screen is quite visible here. Okay, so it's taking time to load. This is a demo account. No campaigns have been run, but it is just for your explanation and for this tutorial. So this is the basic layout and the basic dashboard of the ads manager here. All the campaigns and the ad account is mentioned here. As a multiple ad account, for example, if you have 2 or 3 ad accounts that you are using, it will show the entire list of the ad accounts. Uh, yeah, from here you can create your campaign. Okay, so this is very important. There are 3 levels of the entire ads, like Facebook ads. So the first level is the campaign level, second level is the ad set level, and the third level is the ads level. So campaigns would include all the campaigns which you are running and which were previously ran in the past. Ad set would include all the ad sets that were in those campaigns, and ad would include all the ads which you have run. So yeah, so we will be discussing, for example, if I choose this campaign, new sales campaign, if I click this, so this was the campaign level I chose. Now this is the ads level. So how many ad sets the sales campaign included? So it will show all the details here. Like if I want to get further, if I want to know about the ads, how many ads were there in this campaign, so it is clearly visible that there was only one ad, which was like a demo ad. So yeah, you can add like by creating by choosing the option create. So you can add multiple ads. You can add the ad set as well. So this is how like if I want to get to the original part, which is uh, like like this option will show all the campaigns here. So let's get into further. So this is the ads manager. If I like, it is used for like basic running ads and running multiple campaigns here. So this is the business settings. Business settings will include many different things which is related to your Facebook account. So this is the business manager here. They add some different settings, but this ad account is like a demo account, so there is no information in it. Okay, so here shows on and off. For example, if I want to turn off any campaign, I can just uh, switch it off. Here's all the campaigns which are showing. For example, I have like 10 demo draft campaigns which are not active. So delivery, for example, in draft, if it would have been an active campaign, it would have shown the delivery of active. So this is the bid strategy. Bid strategy is what bid strategy are you using? How are you what is the right bid strategy you have used? So there are multiple bid strategies. We will get into those a little bit later. So this is the budget, how much money you have spent, or what is the campaign budget. So yeah, so this is about it. Attribution setting is there are multiple attribution models which we will discuss later, but it is about how what caused basically the conversion. There are 3 basic attribution, first click, last click, and the data driven, which is a part of Google, but we will definitely discuss it later. So result, for example, if you've chosen to maximize reach in your campaign, so this would show all the results and the what you actually achieved. So show about this. The reach, basic reach, for example, reach and impressions are basically very similar, but there's a huge difference. Reach is, for example, if I ran an ad and uh, like 2 people, the ad reached 2 people, so the reach would be 2. But for example, if if those like two people have watched my ad like for example 3 times, so 3 into 2, the impression would be around 6, because reach is how many people your ad reached, and impressions are how multiple times a user watched your ad or went through your ad. It does not include clicking on the ad, but it's just the impression. So yeah, uh, cost per lead, for example, if you ran a brand awareness campaign, so what was the result, which is like there are different metrics which in which you like denote the success or failure of campaign. So yeah, we would forward discuss this. We will first discuss this. So yeah, so this was the basic like information. Ad account settings, it includes all the settings which you go through before, like which is a part of like building your ads manager account. So sorry, ads events manager is, for example, what events you made. Events is like basic. For example, you own a clothing website, for example, and if someone clicked on the add to cart, if you have created an event, you would definitely know that like uh, ABC number of people click the add to cart or they purchase on the site. So if the events defined on your website, which you have to define before making like before launching a campaign. So the events manager will record that. There's a basic Facebook pixel which is a tracking code which records your events, but that would be too much for this video. We would not touch it. So the commerce manager would include all the details about, for example, if you own uh, a shop on Facebook. So it would include all the information regarding the commerce manager, would include all the information regarding this. So yeah, ads reporting is, for example, you want to see the results of your ad and you want to present it to your client, for example. So this report from this, like by clicking this option, you can create a report and you can send it to your client. The report can include uh, various formats in which you can make the report. It includes the pivot table, bar chart, trend chart. So you can set the dates. For example, if you want the campaign result of 1 month, for example, you can choose the month of July, like from like 1st June to 30th June, and you can update it, and all the results of this particular month would be available in the report, and you can definitely then you can download the report and you can save it as well. You can download the report as well, and then you can send your clients. And also, here are some metrics which are important, which actually tell the results you are like looking for. It includes the basic metric, for example, the impressions, the reach, the results, the cost per, for example, if you're running a lead campaign, so it would include the cost per lead, how what was the cost of like one lead, for example. The frequency shows the number of times your ad was shown. Here you can like see it as well. Uh, here are some further metrics. For example, CTR. CTR is the click-through rate. CPM is the cost per impression. CPC, the cost per link click. For example, what was the click? What was the cost of one click? So this shows about that. Okay, so you can like schedule the report as well. So this was about the ads reporting center. Ad quality is something which is not visible due to because I haven't done any ads in this particular ad account, so there are no ad quality. There are no like factors of ad quality here. Yeah, so if you go to the billing section, billing includes all the amount you have to spend, the amount which is in like all the transaction details would be in this billing section. Business settings, media library would include all the like creators, whether they are static creator, whether they are like video creatives. So it would include all the media. The media library would include all this information of the media. Store location, for example, if you have an like store as well in like any country or you are running ads, so the store location would actually give information about the stores which are physically present in your city, in your country, which you own, and like for example, which you are running ads for. So brand rights protection is about how you can protect your brand from like because there are various Facebook policies as well, and you have to follow those policies. You have to be in line with those policies. And if you don't, Facebook might give you a warning as well and can block your ad account as well if you are continuously violating the rules and regulations made by Facebook. So this is it. Like from here, you can make the audience, the Facebook audience. We would be covering the audience part later. There are three basic audience, for example, lookalike, custom audiences, and you can create a new audience as well. Okay, so audience insight includes all the details about your audience, your Facebook audience. It also includes, like, for example, the age, the gender, and the behavior of your audience, their psychographics as well. Uh, Creative reporting includes the your creators which you put in, and like they're reporting how did they perform. Experiments include basically you can make a campaign and you can run experiments on it to see like which version and which variation of your campaign is performing good, and you can then decide, for example, if you are running if you're running an experiment on campaign A and campaign B, and if campaign B is performing well, you can definitely put a halt on the campaign A, and you can put all that money to the campaign B if you want it. That's completely subjective. So traffic analysis report give details about from where the traffic on your Facebook ad is coming. It can like vary from country to country, industry to industry. It gives a complete report of your traffic which is coming on your ads and so this is about it. Sound collection, you can add sound as well. Facebook is continuously experimenting and making changes in the ads manager. So this was a very basic uh, introduction and explanation tutorial maybe of the Facebook Ads Manager. It includes a lot of information because there are the bidding strategies which I have not discussed up till now. The Facebook placements as well, how to create an ad, how to optimize the ad, how to optimize the entire campaign, how to run experiments, how to like make seasonal changes in the campaign, how to do the perfect reporting of the campaigns, including all the KPIs, all the important metrics, because there are many versions, there are many types of campaign which you can make, for example, which includes uh, maybe a video ad or a display ad or a search ad. So this is like, and there are objectives as well. For example, what is your objective of running any Facebook campaign? So we will discuss it later. So this was the basic introduction of the ads manager. And like, firstly, before deciding all this and getting into, there's an important concept of the marketing funnel. So I would be shortly discussing the marketing funnel as well. Marketing funnel is like which it uh, includes 5 stages, starting from the awareness campaign, the awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty, and customer advocacy. For example, if you own a business, if you have just started a business and uh, not many people are aware of that business, so you have to like firstly make people aware of your business. You will run the awareness campaign maybe if you want to. For example, if people now know your business, you have to make then consider your your business over others. And for example, if you want to convert them, if you want to make them your customer, you will finally go to the conversion part. And once they have converted, you will definitely go to the loyalty part as well, because you have to develop a brand loyalty as well. You have to develop a pool of loyal customers who can repeatedly purchase your products. So after that, we would be like the marketing funnel moves on to the customer advocacy level. The advocacy level include actually your current customers refer your brand, your business to other people of people they might know. It is also called the word of mouth. For example, they recommend your business, your brand, your product to like people they know. So this is the basic structure of marketing funnel, and this is how marketing funnel is derived, and marketers use it to their benefit. So this is uh, like this is it for now, and we would be like discussing the other parts in the later videos.